Hello. Today I'm going to show you my problem with that radio. I said there is a noise on long wave and medium wave. There is a noise, there is a problem of noise. I spoke to people on the internet and they say it's probably a problem of electric device around you. And I say no. And I will show you what is my problem on medium wave and long wave. Okay? If I push the volume, you can hear this noise. Okay? It's not my imagination, it's real. Okay? Now, I will show you something. Okay? So nobody will be able to say that it's not true. Okay? Now, let me show you that. I take off the screw. This one. Okay. If I get this and take it away, it's magical. Noise has disappeared. No? And you see? So this block causes problem. I mean, if you really like reception in the middle of the day or so that's it. So if you have an idea how to get through of that, I would be so happy to take consideration of your idea. That is true, that's not an imagination, you see. Thanks for watching.